tool looks like. You can see what it contains. It consists of the models, you can see here. Then data sets are there, spaces, posts, pricing, and there are multiple options are there over here. Okay. So these are the components. I will show you these components, these posts, data sets. What are these? Okay. So first let me open that. Okay. Now how to use this? Okay. So I have already logged in through my Gmail. So when I click on data set, for any project you need the data, then only you can apply on any particular algorithm. Suppose I want to generate the data in the audio. My project is in audio. I need the audio data set. Okay, so these are the various sets which are available, current data sets which people are using. You can see there are many data sets are available. 391 data sets are available only for the audio purpose. Okay, so suppose I am choosing one data set for my project. It will get opened. This is the audio data set, you can see. Okay, then I want to use this particular data set, so I'm just clicking on this use data set. Okay, so this data set you can use for the project. Okay, then once I have this data set, there are multiple models, you can see here when I'm clicking on the models. So multiple models or the algorithms which are available, you can see here. These are the various algorithms which they have already developed. NLP algorithm, these are the NLP algorithm, natural language processing algorithms are available. Or means these algorithms, they have already code behind this, and we have to just only apply this algorithm on our data set, image to text or whatever. Depending on our requirement, you can choose the algorithm and you can apply. So these are again algorithm for the image to text. So these are the various codes which are developed by the various developers. There are multiple codes are available. This is very best tool for creation of the project by yourself. If you are not having the technology, you don't know about the technology, how AI works, and so this is very good tool for generation of the on preparing the projects by your own. Okay, again there are some spaces which are available. You can use these spaces as well for keeping your projects or the data sets. Okay, then these are the different features again available under this particular tool. Okay, collection, post, matrices means here like which particular accuracy mechanism, or we can say the matrices you are going to use for your project. So there are multiple lots of um, matrices are available for calculating the accuracy of your project. Okay, then collections are there, various collections, current collections are there. Again blogs and articles they have connected with, they are again available. Some expert support is again available. If you are stuck at some, as I told you, the communities are available. So these are the communities blog articles, and you can learn again expert support. Through that also you will get the help for generating or preparing your project. Okay, so these things which are really helpful for generation of the project. Okay, then the next tool, that is which is again project based learning, that is big ML. Okay, so big ML is again it is again helpful for the same purpose, that is to generation of the projects. This is again very best tool for generation. I'm just showing you the tools which can be helpful for generation of the AI projects or the machine learning projects. Again, if you are from the ENTC background, there are many tools which are available for generation of the online circuits which are through the AI. If you have the data set, you can apply through that particular those tools. Okay, so these are the algorithms of machine learning which are available in this big ML. Again, this is how this tool looks like. I will just open that. This is project based learning, where you can create your own project and you can learn by your own. So this is again machine learning based tool which consists of the machine learning algorithms basically, that is big ML. Okay, so this is dashboard, data sets. Again, it consists of data set. Now one data set which is available over here. So for this data set, I can apply any algorithm. You can see under supervised, these are the various things are available. You can perform these particular methods: linear regression, logistic regression. These are the algorithms which comes under the supervised learning. Again, unsupervised learning algorithms are there, that is clustering, anomalies detection. So these algorithms codes are already developed by them, so you can directly apply these algorithm. Again, prediction algorithms are there. If your data set or you want to predict something, if you have the projects of prediction, like I have some data and I have to find out the new things from that particular data, that is prediction is available. Cluster formation is again possible. You have to just click on it, and suppose this is my data set, then you can apply that algorithm and you will get the clusters. Okay, so like this. So these are the clusters, and again histograms I can see over here. Okay, from that data set I have applied the clustering algorithm. Suppose I am applying this supervised learning algorithm, so that is linear regression, multiple regression. So that is again possible through this particular tool. Okay, so this is again best tool for the project based learning. Instead of writing every code, you will directly get the support from this tool. Again, you can prepare your own data, you can build your own model instead of using their already developed algorithm. You can, through this tool you can prepare your own data as well, which is the big ML model. Okay, so these are some of the tools where your project based learning get easy, and you can easily develop your own projects through these project based learning tools. I have shown you only the AI based or machine learning based project tools, but there are multiple tools which are available. Okay, there are multiple tools which are available. If you are from a different background, you are from the electronics background, you are from the ENTC background, they have the virtual setups for various tools which are available. Okay, now the important thing which the staff or as a faculty we require to grow ourselves, not the faculty, some students who are pursuing their masters, some students who are pursuing their btech, students who are pursuing their phds. So for them, there are some tools which can be easy helpful for preparing of your research paper, depending on the requirement of the journal or the conferences. Okay, so these are some of the tools which I have enlisted. Out of that, I will show you some tools, one or two tools through which it will be easy for you to generate or prepare your own research paper. Okay, so this is one of the basic tool, that is chat pdf. This is again AI based tool which is very faster to generate your own article through the research. Okay, then it is again user friendly tool which can be helpful for you to generate the research paper. Okay, this tool is helpful actually for the academic research, business presentations as well. It will generate the reports of the business presentation as well, and legal document review. For these two three professions it is helpful, but we are, while considering the academic research, we can use this tool for generation of the research papers. Okay, so how, what are the steps which we need? First, you have to upload the PDF document. If you have prepared some research paper, and by your own, in your own words, you can upload that. Then you will get the some questions you can type, like whatever queries you have regarding that research paper. Through these, through the AI, your queries will get solved. Like if you are stuck at some particular point and you want some information related to some point in your research paper. Okay, so it will be helpful. They will give the answers. Okay, so it is a conversation based approach, this particular tool for generation of the research. So you can see here I have uploaded one research paper, and I have asked some questions to these tools, like I need some data related to the key features of the cyber security portals or something. Okay, so suppose I will show you some questions. I think somebody has written something. Really nice session. Okay, thank you so much, Amol Devre sir. I'll surely share you the PPTs and the links. Every link I will share. Okay, so See, you can see this is a chat PDF. Okay, now I want to upload the research paper. Okay, I have one paper. I will show you one research paper which is created by my student. I will just upload this. Okay, A24, and I'm uploading that research paper. This paper my student has prepared. Okay, now I'm uploading it. Okay, so this research paper get uploaded. Okay, and this paper is related to cybersecurity portal for the effective management of the servers and the firewall. Okay, so you can see here these are various things or contents they have created, but I want at some points I'm not satisfied with the paper which they have prepared, or I have prepared. Suppose I want to add some challenges. Okay, so I will ask what are the challenges for the effective management of server. Okay, I will ask to the chat PDF. So I can add the challenges in my paper. Okay, so like it will give you what are the challenges which are there. So it's not like that you have to add as it is. You can the use required content from this reference which they have given, and if I want some things like real time issues which I can get while doing this management of the firewall. So that also questionnaires I can ask to this particular chat PDF. So the help or important of the chat PDF application is for just only to support writing, paper writing. If you have the you know what you have to do, but you don't have the content, so it will give you the suggestions like which type of contents you can add, and it will give you the contents as well. According to that, whatever required things are that you can take, and remaining things you can leave. Okay, so this is how this particular tool is mainly helpful for giving you the support for the papers. Okay, research papers if you are going to create. Okay, it is only supporting to the research paper. Now this is again one more tool which is helpful for research assistant. This is a Trinka AI, which is again AI based tools. So there are many things which are available in this particular Trink AI. Sorry. So actually it is Trinka AI. So it will be helpful for getting your spelling mistake corrected. If some of the people are facing the issues while writing the grammar or some English sentences, they are not able to form properly, so it is helpful. It will give you the your mistakes. If you have written the rough paper, it will give you your mistake, and you can mm, it will clarify your mistakes, and it will give you the correct content of that particular mistakes as well. You can see this is one paper which I have uploaded. This is my paper. So I have written this abstract. Okay, but I have some issues like I have written some things wrong. Suppose within, instead of within, there should be in. It is giving me the corrective measures like which I can use in my research paper. GDPR, the GDPR, it should be the GDPR. Instead of R, I should have to write the and. Okay, so like that it will be helpful. Okay, I will just open that tool again. Okay, I'm logging through my Gmail. Take some time. Okay, so this is how this tool looks like. Again, what you have to do, you have to create your rough draft in the Word file. Here they have given the option for the new upload. Just upload your rough draft. Okay, or you can okay, it is asking me the file name. Suppose research paper, SEAR research paper. Okay, and here general. Okay, then English, which you want, you can take it. Okay, okay, so this is where I can upload the file or I can write the content as well. So now I am uploading my paper in the doc which I have created. It is there or not, I don't know. Yeah, this paper I am going to upload, which is short small paper. Okay, which I have created. This is my research paper. Okay, now you can see Okay, it has given me the corrections like rising as I have shown you. So for complete paper, it is giving me the errors which I have created while writing the contents. Okay, so you can change this according to the suggestions which are given. Then paraphraser is again there. Okay, where you want to give the paraphrase. So those all those things are available. Then plagiarism check is possible through this particular tool. Again, it is paid. Actually, it is I'm using the free tools, so that's why they have given like this. Citation checker, whatever citations you are going to add. So those citations are like how those citations can be improved. Okay, so that suggestions it will give if you are going to upload your paper over here and you are giving the citations to your paper. Okay, so these all these things are support which is available through this tool, and it will be creating your quality article or quality paper can get created, and which can be you can submit it to the best or good journals or the conferences. It will generate you the quality publication. Okay, one more and important tool now. This is one is the last tool which I would like to show you. That is consensus. This is again useful for the research, academic research, student projects, and the professional development. Okay, so this tool is not used actually creating your paper or something. This tool will give you the best references. Okay, whatever references you want to add. This is a as like a Google search engine. This is a search engine for searching of the reference papers for your project or for your research or for your paper. Okay, so this is how this tool looks like. You can see here these are the years which are available: 1990, 2000, or whatever, for which year you want the paper on which topic. So it will give you the paper. Again, there are some filters are available. I will show you that tool, which is again best tool for generation of the references. If you are new for any particular area, this tool will be helpful for you to find out your research papers. Okay, okay, so okay, so here suppose I want the paper from the 2024 current papers. Okay, I want it from the open access journal, means which are freely available, which are not locked, which are having the citations. You can give the any like citation number. Okay, then these are the filters. Okay, again you want which type of journal, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, the papers from which type of journal, that filters are again available. Then here domains, on which domain you want the papers. Okay, economic, geographic, business, medicine, whatever, on from which country you want the papers, like where in which country the papers are getting through which journal they are getting published in which country. So all these filters are available here, so you can choose according to your requirement. Okay, then suppose I have chosen now the 2012 24, the papers from the 2024. Okay, apply these filters. Okay, and I want the paper on artificial intelligence through mm, only artificial intelligence I will write, and for um, image suppose image processing application I'm writing, or anything you can write here, processing application. I want to paper on these two things, like image processing applications through the AI. You can see here I have got many research papers which are there available in the 2024 year, which are getting published on the topics. Okay, so similarly you can choose the other year as well. Okay, through the filters. So if you want some references or some papers which you want to add in your literature or in your research paper, that are available through this particular research paper based this particular tool. Okay, Suppose I want the articles from all the years on the artificial intelligence, suppose. So just type your topics in detail and you just search out it. You can see here I have got the basics at least about the paper, and whatever required information is there which I need to add in my particular research paper or literature review of my paper, you will get it. So it is again best tool for writing the research paper, for finding out a generation of your um, different references and the literature. Okay. Okay, so this is all about my presentation today. So just I would like to help you or tell you about the various things which are available, various learning which are available uh, mm, through the AI. Various tools are available through the AI, like that may be academic based learning, innovation in the academic based learning, then innovation in the administrative part of the of the faculties, innovation in the project based learning, and the innovation in the research based learning. So how you can innovate your research, research paper, your projects, and your academics and the administration through the various tools which are currently available in the market. You can utilize those, and it will be very easy and user friendly things for all of us for using these tools instead of going to the traditional mechanisms. So these are the interactive and the innovative tools. These are just only I have shown you some examples. There are multiple tools are available according to the brand specific, that may be for mechanical, civil, or ENTC or the electrical. You will get these some simulations which are available, and you can predict your project as well if you have the hardware projects. Okay, so such types of tools are again available. Okay, so this is all about my today's presentation, which the points which I wanted to cover. Um, and thank you so much, sir. Thank you, Amol sir and Santosh sir, for your positive response. Okay, and if we are again using some tools in our college as well. Some tools as our college is autonomous, we are using for innovative teaching and learning. Okay, so if you need any help, you can contact me through the mail ID I have given. And at last, I would like to thanks. Yeah, sure, sir. I'll share the slides and all the links with you for the tools which we can use for interactive generation of teaching and learning processes. Okay. So I would like to thanks to the coordinators and the management of the RIT Polytechnic for giving me this opportunity to present the skills in the innovative teaching and learning to me. And again, I would like to thanks to Dr. Anil Sahu sir, who is Dean PhD in our college. So for the opportunity, I would like to thank you for all the participant as well. Those who really like my session, and I hope all of you are really will use the particular all these tools in your academics activities, which is need of current education field, that there should be an interactive mode of learning to the students. Nowadays students are not theory specific, or they don't want the theory contents, they want only the easy learning things. So it's better to use the AI tools which people are developing right now in the education industry. So I really uh, tell to all that you must try in your organization and the institutes for using these particular tools and help the students and your education industry, your particular institute to grow. So thank you so much, ma'am, and thank you, sir. Thank you, Mayur Khairnar, sir, for continuously support and continuously connecting with me before this session for and arranging this particular session. Thank you so much, sir. Yes.
Okay, thank you, ma'am, for this wonderful session. And good afternoon, everyone. I am Professor Mayur Khairnar, coordinator of the FDP program. I would like to begin thanking Dr. Madam for their insightful contributions throughout this session. Your expertise and guidance have truly enriched our learning experience. I am also thankful to our Day 1 and Day 2 guest speaker, that is Dr. Vaibhav Hendre sir and Samir Gazgate sir. As we come to close these 3 days FTP program, I want to express my sincere gratitude for and to each one of your active participation, for they have been filled with valuable insights and discussions, emerging educational technologies and student engagements strategies. We have gained a lot, but the real value lies in how we apply this idea in our classroom. Let's take a new tools to perspective we have learned and use them to inspire and empower our students, creating an environment that foster growth and innovations. Thank you once again to our speakers and heartfelt thank you to all of you for your enthusiasm and commitment. Let's continue this journey of professional growth and make a positive impact in our classrooms and beyond. Finally, I would like to thank you, our respected principals, Dr. K.H.Munde sir, for guidance and support to organize this FTP. Also, I am thankful to FTP co-coordinators, my department colleagues, to make this FTP successful. Wishing you all the best in your teaching endeavors. Thank you. All participants will get their certificate from tomorrow on their mail IDs. Okay, we will about certificate. We will drop a message on our FDP WhatsApp group. That instruction you have to follow, and you will get your FDP certificate. Thank you. Any other question from any participants? Okay, thank you. Then we will wind up the session. You may leave the session. Okay, thank you.